Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Chenault for STEM class, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a marble maze. So I'm going to adjust the video so you can see what I'm doing down here, and I'm going to tell you about some things I have used, some materials I've used around the house. So first thing I got is a paper plate. I also have some tape, Scotch tape, and scissors. I'm gonna use some Play-Doh because I had some. And I also have these straws and pipe cleaners and little teeny pieces of construction paper. So if you don't have these supplies, like most of the things that we're doing, it is okay. I want you to be creative and see what you have around your house to make a marble maze. So in making a maze, I'm gonna show you here. Here's one that I have already done. You have a starting point and a finishing point. And it's sort of a challenge, can you see that right there? To get a marble from, so I'm gonna do this backwards, but if you could see, I'm gonna try to get my marble through this challenge or course to the finish, and I did it, all right? So to do that, you need to create a sort of obstacle course. Here's another one that I did. This one has a lot of bridges that I made, and I'm gonna start right there. This one's a little harder because it doesn't have borders, but I'm gonna try to get, there's little arrows to show where I'm going. I'm gonna try to get that marble through this obstacle course. I need to go through that white one. So you get the point. So I'm gonna show you how to make one. All right, so I'm gonna use, I thought this can be a good start, all right? And I found some Play-Doh. So I'm gonna start my course right here. And I'm even going to write start right there. And the good thing about the Play-Doh is it sticks right on the page, so you don't have to use any glue. So you see that? That's how I'm gonna start. Then I'm gonna try to use, I'm gonna use a pipe cleaner. And I'm just gonna stick it right in the Play-Doh because that will work. I might have to use a piece of tape. And I'm gonna wind that around because I wanna have a border on my, let's see if I just stop it right there. I wanna have like a wall or a little racetrack for my marble. And you might have to put a little piece of tape in different corners. You're just gonna have to play with it and see what works. Then I think I'll use another piece of pipe cleaner, and I'm sort of gonna make a road. I'm gonna have to make sure that everything stays in place like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna curve it around. See how I'm doing this? And I'm gonna do a lot of pieces of tape to keep it in place. And you can make your obstacle bigger or smaller. And I'm gonna do this one short just so I could show you. And let me show you how I did the bridges. So look at that. See how I have an obstacle? And let's see if my marble works going through that. Oh, see right there, it's a little too narrow, so I might have to adjust it. But so far, so good. And here is how you could also use straws for your obstacle course. Be creative and show me your ideas. But here's how I do my bridges. I just take a little piece of construction paper and I'm going to tape it down on one side. See, just make a little bridge and put a piece of tape on this side and then curve it over and make a piece of tape on the other side. All right, so you can add many bridges like this one and arrows telling which direction to go in, or just a few bridges. But I'd like to see how I have start and finish on mine. Also, you can put arrows to know which direction to go. If you don't have walls on your obstacle course, then you might need to show arrows to show which way to go. But have fun with your marble mazes, and please send me your ideas to amyc@prumc.org. Have fun.